Yolanda, what we gonna do today?
Today, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little yellow eye look. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Okay, so first let's start off with priming our eyelids. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow primer from Too Faced called Shadow Insurance. And I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelids, right in the center of my tear ducts and underneath, because my eyes water a lot and that's where I've noticed that my makeup comes off the fastest if I don't use a primer. So I will just be applying this on my eyelids and then applying it with my ring finger. Now I'm going to be applying some concealer just all over my eyelids again to create a clean, even base. And I'm going to be using this concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Bisque or GC958. And I'll, sorry, and with this one I will be blending it out with a little concealer brush. Now that you've blended out your concealer, you want to go in with the Life's a Drag palette from Lunar Beauty, and you want to take this white color right here and apply a sponge and apply it all over your eyelid. Okay, so you have a nice clean slate. So now we can start painting it, you know? And from the same palette, I'm going to be now using Campy, the yellow shade, and I will be applying that all over my eyelid to create that first yellow base. And I will be using a fluffy little brush to apply it all over my eyelid. I'm using sweeping motions to start blending that color out around the crease. Now I'm grabbing this little brush and I'm bringing the yellow underneath my eyes as well. So now that our eyelids are all yellow, we want to go in with the lighter brown in our crease. I'm going to be using the shade Sickening from the same palette and a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to be applying that in the outer edges of my eye. Now I'm starting to sweep the eyeshadow across my upper crease right here. So now we're going to be using the shade Hunty. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's more of a gray brown. And I'm going to be applying that with a little brush in the outer corner to deepen it. Now you want to go back in with that little fluffy brush you used earlier and blend that out. Now we're going to be going in with Mug, this darker brown, and applying it in the same spots because we want to darken that corner to create that depth in your eye. Also bring that underneath your eye. Now I want to blend the yellow back in with the brown. So I'm going in with my fluffy brush and grabbing actually I'm not going to be grabbing any more color, just with whatever's left on it, just blend everything out. I'm grabbing a little angled fluffy brush and I'm going to be blending out the browns into an like angled eyeliner shape. I'm using the color Hunty again, that gray brown, and I'm going to be blending the corners out. I'm using the color Mug, the darkest brown, and using a little more flat brush to really make sure I bring that under my eye. Now I'm going to be using this Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be using this brown right here and putting it in the outer corners of my eye. I'm going to be using the same little angular brush and picking it up and adding it in the corner. Now I'm going back to the Life's a Drag palette and I'm using the shade Legendary. This is a nice gold shimmery color, and I'm going to be using my finger to apply that in the center and towards the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going back in and blending the outer brown color in with the gold that I just put on. I'm not adding any color, I'm just blending whatever's on there. Now we're going to be applying a nice gold little shimmery yellow color to the inner corners of your eyes. The one I'm going to be using today is from Naked Cosmetics in the shade UR0-01, and it's a nice little gold color. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but it's very gold. I'm going to be taking a nice little brush and spraying it with my Morphe mist so I can grab that pigment up and really make sure it pops. And I'm just picking up a little bit because with this, a little goes a long way. Make sure you're blending that glitter out towards that other gold glitter that you applied earlier. Now we're going to be going back in with the Morphe palette, and we're going to be using this nice little shimmery color gold as well. And we're going to be applying that a little more precise in the inner corners of the eye where we just applied that glitter as well. Woo, see how it pops? Now we want to go in with the brown eyeliner. We want to put this in the water lines of our eyes, the top and bottom. The one I'm going to be using is from ColourPop. It's called Mr. Bing, and this is their cream gel liner. So like I said, apply this in the top and bottom waterline. So now that you have your eyeliner on, you want to go in with mascara and lashes to finalize the look. You want to go for big, bold, dramatic lashes since we're not using eyeliner. The lashes I'm going to be using today are from Batty Bee Lashes in the style Batty. As you can see, they're more on the dramatic, longer side. The mascara I will be using to make sure it blends in all nice and evenly is the Big Ego Tarte Mascara, and this is in the shade, I believe it's black. I think it's just that same black color. But don't quote me. But I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look with the lashes. But for the ultimate final look, give me a second so I can put on the rest of my face and show you the final look. Okay, so this concludes our video. What do you guys think? Did you guys enjoy it? I think this is a super cute look for the fall, spring, or even summertime. You just gotta switch that lip combo, you know? If you're interested in this one though, the liquid lipstick I used was from Vive Cosmetics in the shade Maria. And to top it off, I used the high gloss from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade 23. I thought I should keep it all in the gold yellow family, you know? But okay, so this concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Okay, bye guys.